Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix Spotify shuffle not working or shuffle play not working. So basically, to use shuffle play, you need to go inside a playlist. And inside a playlist, you can see the two arrow pointing at the right side. So right now it's gray. So gray means the shuffle play is off. So to turn it on, you need to click on it and it's green. So if it is green, then shuffle play is on. Now for those people who do not know shuffle play makes you play music in random. So after the music, all girls are the same ends. It's not going to play Love is Pain. It's going to play random song Off My Face by Justin Bieber. After that is over, maybe it's going to play Happier by Ed Sheeran. Just like this, it's going to play random songs inside of the playlist. That is basically what shuffle play does, and that is how you guys can turn it on. And if your shuffle play is not turning on, or like even if the shuffle play is on, you're still not able to play music in shuffle, in that case, it could be a bug that is causing this problem. For that, what you can do is delete your Spotify app and re-download it again. And once you delete your Spotify app, the bug will also be deleted. And when you re-download your Spotify, you will be downloading the latest version of Spotify, which means you will be updating your Spotify as well. So by doing that, your problem should be fixed. So I hope you understand on how you guys can fix your shuffle play not working on Spotify. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.